Hello friends, this is the part second of the electric hub motor winding. First one, first part I removing all the windings and the information is to be note down and all information tell you in the part 1. Now the part 2, this is the winding, actual winding. See here, clockwise direction, green phase lastly I removed. Now it is starting winding, that is okay. This is green phase. First coil is clockwise direction, okay. This is the third coil, that is also a clockwise direction. First one clockwise, second one is anti-clockwise, third one is clockwise. Like that we wound the coil one set, okay. Four coils is one set, okay. This is the clockwise direction. Okay. And this is the fourth coil of one set. This is the fourth coil. See, this is the anti-clockwise direction. The one set of winding is complete. Four coils are completed. Okay. Now the jumping of wire, 9 holes are living, okay. 9 holes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay. This much of holes are living for the another phase winding, and the coil is ending with the anti-clockwise. The second set of then this coil is also green in the phase, anti-clockwise direction, okay. This is the second set of coil, okay. The second coil is completed. This is the clockwise direction. This is in clockwise direction. First coil is anti-clockwise, second coil is clockwise direction, okay. The 5 turns are to be counted and wound it. Then we must see this is the second coil, wires, okay. It is completed or cleanly setted or no, okay. This is the third coil. Now, the second pair of coil, anti-clockwise direction. The second set of coil. First coil anti-clockwise direction, second coil is clockwise direction, third is in the anti-clockwise direction, okay. The turns of 5 turns and 13 wires are, this is anti-clockwise direction, join it together, okay. The 7 turns are coming in the one set of wire, one set of coil, In this rotor, we must note down all the data. This is the while removing the coil. Fourth coil. Okay. This is the third coil. Otherwise, and next you is get the fourth coil. We have the patience to do the job. See, for as per the what we have taken in the coil is completed. This what is we the third set paper in the green is to be face seen in every coil. This is the third coil. Now the coil is ending with the clockwise direction, and here also we wound the like a clockwise direction. Are to be okay. See, left and this is the clockwise direction. See, this is the clockwise direction. Are leaving. Okay. This type we can wound the for the next wires. Phase this is clockwise direction. Wires. Okay, this is the green phase. This and is the first coil, clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Another next is clockwise direction. Like that, we can wound the set of coils in a single phase. We can get the four coils. Gap is to be tightened by the wood material. Otherwise, when using the metal wind the coil material in the wire anti-clockwise damaged. Okay. For that purpose, we using the bamboo strip. This bamboo anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Okay. This is the second coil anti-clockwise direction. Wire. Second coil. This is the third set. Okay. The coil is to be okay. The make a second coil is completed. Clean wiring in the third set of and put a coil locks for this. Very carefully we did the job while rewinding it. This is the third winding. The third set off and third winding. It is anti-clockwise direction. Some video is this is clockwise direction because the video will get very long. You must note down all the datas when you are removing the coil. Okay. This is the clockwise direction. Okay. In this three-phase motor, it is three-phase motor. In the DC voltage in the battery, the three phases are creating and make it the frequency is to be varied. The formula is like that: speed n is equal to 120 f by p. F means frequency. When the frequency is get high, the speed is also getting high and the frequency is getting low, the speed is also getting low. The directly proportional to the frequency. The speed is directly proportional to the frequency and inversely proportional to the pole. The pole is not varying now. The frequency is varying by the controller of the hub motor controller. I explain you later. Okay, this is the clockwise direction. Don't get me, wire is to be hardened and full tightened. Don't get me, the insulated copper wire are not to be damaged. This is the anti-clockwise direction we wounding. Okay, the four set of coil in a single phase. In this motor, the 48 slots are there. In the 48 slots, for the one phase, it is using four set of coils. And we are making these wires is to be tightened by the hammer, mallet, okay, and make a shape by hitting the coils by the wooden mallet. Okay, see now the single phase green phase is completed now. This is the I taken a 1 feet of extra wire that is correctly completed. Okay, in a single phase the wire is weighing 200 grams. Totally it is getting 600 grams of wire. I taken a 700 grams of wire and make a 13 wires are joined. Joined means lengthy wires are grouped together, and then make a bobbin to wound it, and then we make a coils. See, this is the shape of the winding for a single green. Here is the last time completed. This is the first stage. Next we go to the yellow phase. Yellow phase is starting in a anti-clockwise direction. Okay, the green phase we are starting at a clockwise direction. The yellow phase is starting with a anti-clockwise direction. I am write down in the sticker where it is to be removed yellow wire. Okay, this is the yellow wires so slot, and also I think blue wires is ending in this slot also. Yellow wire starting is here. Okay, let's start a winding. See, here like this is the anti-clockwise. See, this wire is yellow phase. I wound in the anti-clockwise direction. See, this is the anti-clockwise direction. This is the first set of wire and first coil. This is also a 5 turns of 13 group of wires. Okay, 26 gauge wire is we taken. Up to the end, the data is to be preserved. Okay, okay, this is the second coil. It is clockwise direction. Like that, we complete this yellow phase what we are done in the green phase, like that. Okay, I put a music. In this winding, you get any confused, you can message me or a chat with me. I given the suggestion for the winding and etc. In my video, the controller and charger is also be given. Charging complaint is to be, I did a video, and then I control is also be done. By the small complaint is to be repaired in the controller. Okay. See, 9 holes to be left. Okay. Okay, now this is the winding. Is in the clockwise direction, I think. This video is get long because of all coils is to be did in front of you. For that purpose it is very long. You must see the full video. You get a knowledge about the hub motor winding. See, this is the clockwise direction. This is the first coil of second phase, that is yellow phase. First is the green, second one is the yellow, last one is blue phase you getting. Okay, first coil is completed. First coil is completed. Then second coil is anti-clockwise direction. First coil clockwise direction, second coil is anti-clockwise direction, third coil is clockwise direction, next anti-clockwise direction, it is ended. Okay. When the wire is twisted, the slot gap will very small and very tight on the coil. For that purpose, we may put a coil like strip type. Okay, like this. Okay, I taken this screwdriver, that is not a hard one and very nice for the tightening the wires in the slots. Don't get be damaged. Okay. This motor is given by my friend. He is a very good mechanic in the electric motors, and he is given me a rotor for the winding purpose. Okay, second coil is completed. Second set of coil. This is the third set of coil. See, this is the anti-clockwise direction it is to be winding. Okay, this get the very long video and you get a full information. Okay, thank you. I put a small music for you. Thank you. I tighten the coil and I given in my channel why we are winding this clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, because of the magnetic flux is to be changed like north and south, then we get the pickup of the speed. Otherwise, you can't get the speed. Okay, for that purpose,
ಕೊಡಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮಳಿಗೆರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ತಗೋದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ. ಕೊಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡ.
and this is the fourth third set of coil. Okay, okay, we can wind it. 9 holes is to be left. This is clockwise direction. Okay,
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂತೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋನು. ನೀವು ಏಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಮಾತು.
okay. In this winding, see, this is the ending wire of the yellow phase. Okay,
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ
now the yellow phase is completed.
ಬೀಗದ 2005
Now it is blue phase is to be starting. Here blue wire is where I am removing, that is also mentioned here. Now it is the clockwise direction is to be done. This is the blue wire, blue phase winding.
ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಆರಾಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಟೆ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಐತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ
Clockwise direction. This is the last phase, blue phase. Of 5 turns of wire.
ಅದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಡಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು
This is the last phase. anti-clockwise direction next coil. Okay.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದ್ರೆ 2000 ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ
ಬೇಕು ಬೇಕು
ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
ಅದನ್ನ
ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಮೂರನೇ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರೆ
ಅವತ್ತಿಂದಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಟಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ
When I jump this video, you get confused. Otherwise, you think he is cheating me like that. For that purpose, I put a full video for your kind information. Okay. This rotor is 1500 watts motor, and this shaft is wound out somewhere. For that purpose, the rotor is damaged and get heated the coil and melted it. Okay. I shown this formula. The AC motors are the speed n is depending upon the frequency. We can change the frequency, not the poles. For that purpose, these type of motors are used very useful. When the frequency is changed, the speed is directly proportional to the frequency. Thank you. This is the last set of wire.
Bailey, Tata, bye, wait. Tata, bye, wait.
And this is anti-clockwise direction.
ಅಲ್ಲೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ತಾತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 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 ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚಿನಿ ಬಿಡ ನಾನು ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ
This is the clockwise direction. Fourth set. Okay. This is last set of blue face. Don't use the sharp end screwdrivers. One turn, second, third, fourth, 5 turns. Okay, 5 turns of wire. Six, and in the one set we getting a 7 turns of wire for one slot. Okay, this is the clockwise direction. Okay, the last set of third coil. I make the videos to fast forward. Thank you for watching, and please share this video to your friends. You get any confused in this wire winding, you can contact in the comment box. I given a solution for that. Okay. Okay, 3 coils are completed. This is the last coil. Remaining last coil is there. Okay, this is the coil is in the direction of anti-clockwise. Okay, the last coil is get tightened because two sides of slots having the wires. Third turn. And this is get tightened. Okay, make it free by hitting by a mallet for 5 turns and get uh, some wires. For that purpose I wound another 1 turns of wire. Nothing happened for that 1 turns of wire. Okay, now it is completed the winding. Okay, last set of wire. Oh, sorry. The third set is completed, and this is the last set. Don't use the sharp edge screwdrivers. Okay, the tightened wires are there. I removing 1 turn. Okay, the last set of wire is winding. It is in the anti-clockwise direction. Lost coil is winded. Okay, this is the anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise. We wound it. One, two, three, 4, 5 turns. It is enough. But another one winding is I putting extra. Nothing happen. Okay. The clockwise it is to be ended. Okay. The all what I am taken the data, that is equals the information and data. Nothing fault is coming in this winding. Okay. Okay, the completed the winding. This is the yellow wire, this is blue wire, and these ending wires is to be joined together because of star connection. Okay, these 3 wires are to be joined together. These starting windings are green phase and this is the green phase, and this is yellow phase, and this is the blue phase. Okay, what I am taken removing the wires are coming out like that. Okay, the jumpings are to be, I observed that one, see, one is like this, next connection is the 2 wires are coming from single slot. This is the wire coming out 2 slots, this is in a single slot, the 2 set wires. Next it is 2 slot, this is single slot, this is 2 slot, this is single slot, this is 2 slot, this is single slot, like that. Okay, now it is completed the wiring. Okay, lastly we can check the winding whether it is grounded or not. It is to be must. Okay, these wires are remove the enamel wires, enamel paints, and then joined for these wires, main wires. These three wires are joined together for the purpose of star connection. Okay, please share this video whether you are interested in this winding. Okay, I remove the enamels. I'm not skip the videos anywhere because YouTube know about the technology. For that purpose, I not skip the videos anywhere. For that purpose, it is the video time is getting high. Sorry for that. Thank you for watching. Please share this video to your friends. Okay, please tighten this wire and check this wire to the ground. Okay, I show you. This is the series wire. See here, I'm checking this grounded, but not a grounded anywhere. I take a 65 watts soldering gun and joined these wires. Don't get loosed, otherwise the winding or burnt out. The lead is to be used, good wire, good lead. This lead is having flux, 22% of flux is there in this lead. This is a good wire, lead wire, for the joining these wires. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Thank you very much. Please give the information to your friends. Okay, now this is short star connected point. Lastly, we can put a good varnish and a good insulating varnish for this purpose. Anywhere the wire is to be damaged, that get be insulated. Okay, the wire is to be heated, then the wires are joining together. Otherwise the wires are not get connected. Having this 65 watt soldering gun and make a good connection. Okay, thank you for watching. You get any confusion in this winding, please comment in the comment box. I give a solution or an answer for that. Please suggest me to which type of videos you want. I ready to put a videos for that, for controller or charger, etc. These wires are phase wires. Okay, the first one is green phase, to make a good joint for the connections. The three phases are connected perfectly. Okay, I checked the winding by the series connection, 110 connection. See, there is no grounded. Okay, let's put a good varnish for this. Okay. The winding is completed now. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you all friends. Thank you for watching.